Welcome, today we're going to show you how to make a sign in Roblox Studio. So first you need to click on new experience as see from here. After that, as see from here, you need to click on part to add a new part. Choose the part that you like. I will choose block. Now from here you need to choose the scale button to rescale your block to make it like a sign, as you see from here. So now after you have already made your sign the way you like, you need to go to your Explorer as see from here. So from the Explorer, you need to click on Part and click on the plus button. Now we need to search for GUI. Click on Surface GUI, and now from here you can add a label, text label, as see from here. And from here you will see all the information about the text that you have already added. So you can actually resize it and do a lot of stuff to your text. So now I see from here the text is on the top left, we need to make it on the center. So how to actually do that? You need to actually find the size tag. So just scroll down or up till you find size. So I see from here you will find the size for the text label. I see from here you need to write 1,0,1,0 and hit on enter. And I see the label will be in the middle right now. So now the next thing that we are going to do is to actually resize the actual text. So now we need to actually scroll down till we see the actual text customization. So from here you can actually change a lot of things about the text. I'll see from here the font of the text and a lot of things. So let's actually try to change the size of the text. I'll see from here. If we add it like 50 or even 70, so I'll see from here the label changes and everything changes. From here you can change the actual text. Hit and enter, and I'll see from here we actually made our sign. You can just customize it from here perfectly as you like. So that's it. That's how you make a sign in Roblox Studio. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.